So some of you asked me to open up boxes when I get new things. As a teacher, it's kind of exciting because it's kind of like a new toy. But it serves a great purpose because our 7th and 8th graders here at the school is very appreciative of using the calculator. They don't have to use pen and paper, or I should say pencil and paper, to get to the answer. They can just simply use a calculator. Now, the calculator we used before was the Victor, which, as you can see, poses a problem. Now, these were okay for a while until you start seeing, right, the numbers are not coming up fully anymore. Part of it has to do with, you can see there what I did there. So the screen, if it shifts just a little bit, it messes up with the digits. So this has not been very reliable. I've lost quite a bit of them. Most of them are in my closet, just collecting dust because I can't use them anymore. They're not reliable. But the ones that I've noticed that are really reliable are these Texas Instruments, the TI-108s. These are perfect. You'll see them in a lot of different public schools. So I figured, hey, if it works there, it should work here too. So this is the calculator that we're talking about. We're talking about the TI-108. And it's just a great calculator. It's kind of small, not very big at all. It could fit in a lot of different places. The measurements, let's see, how big is it? So it's about 4.5 inches by just a little bit bigger than 2.5 inches. It's about 2 5/8. So again, it fits kind of in the palm of your hand. So I've got 2 boxes of these. I opened the first box already completely. This is the second box I got. I did open this already, but for purpose of kind of showing again what I did, I didn't open it up all the way. So let me just show what I did. We took out a couple calculators. So there was tape that held it. Opened it up. Then you had all these calculators in a styrofoam. But this also came with it too. Big, large envelope, and it had some stuff in here. So it talks about maybe some different educational support programs, resources, different types of calculators, overhead calculators, which is awesome. I've had one of those before. You can see through it. It's really, really cool. Different stuff that they offer, but there's a lot of really cool ones. There's some that have fractions in it. We're not going to get those. I consider that cheating. It's easy enough using the calculator, so we shouldn't make it much easier. And it came with a disc. Just talking about different products. That's just guides and activities that we could use for the calculator. And this is the instruction manual for Will. And that's important because on the calculator, there's a lot of buttons that we don't use, but like the MRC and the M minus and the M plus button, that's the one that's widely or most often not used or widely misunderstood. But the M, try to see if I can find it on here, right here, MRC. You see the M plus, M minus, MRC. So basically M is it's basically a memory. It's a memory button, and what it does, it remembers what you last did. So you see here it says 4 times 1199. Let's see if you guys can see that. Okay, so 4 times 1199 minus 12 times 0.98 equals, and so what you would do is you would MRC 4 times 1199 M plus, so basically saying, hey, keep that in your memory. Then 12 times 98 M minus, then you would basically subtract it. You would get 36.2. That's what would happen. But that is pretty complicated. I think we're just going to stick with pencil and paper on that one. But anyways, but most of the buttons we're going to use will be positive, negative, right, for our integers. Square root a little bit later. Percentages, we've already dealt with that, and then it's just a basic 4-function calculator. 4 functions and an equal sign. So great calculator. I love it. Very reliable. They come already in a little case, so when I put it back, it's very safe. It's not easy. It doesn't come out easily, so you're gonna have to kind of pull it out. But they all were wrapped in this plastic. And then, of course, when I got it, I immediately just pulled them out. I was excited. It was like Christmas for Mr. Freeland. I was excited. So a shout out to Dr. Kelly, Dr. Tedder, for getting these calculators for us from Texas Instruments. These TI-108s. Very appreciative, and we will put them to good use. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, let me know on the comments. And one last thing, I didn't show you the poster, but basically, if you come to my class, you'll see this big old poster of the TI-108 on one of my doors as you come into the class. So, big poster. I can't even fit it underneath this document camera. That's how awesome this poster is. God bless. Have a good one. Bye-bye.